Hi guys, Dr. Justin Souther here. We're going through your semester test 1 and we're on to question number 5. Okay, calculate the following sum. This was a little bit of a tricky question, but it was quite easy to get 2 marks if you remember the fact that the sum of I equals 1 to n of I is equal to n into n plus 1 over 2. And the other one that you needed to remember is, and I chose this one to give you because it's almost the same as this one, it's just that the whole thing is squared. N into n plus 1 all over 2, all squared. Okay, now how do we use that in the sum here? Unfortunately, quite a few of you wrote out the sum, hoping that it would be a telescoping sum. Of course it isn't, because there's no minus. Everything is plus, so nothing cancelled, and even though you just gave me the first and the last terms, that's just completely wrong. What is right, however, and how quite a few of you managed to get about 2 marks, was to do the following. Well, the first thing to notice is that we can write this as 2 sums. Okay, remember you can distribute a sum across a sum. And the other thing that you can do is you can factor out a constant. Now there's a constant over here. It's not 101. It's also not 100. A lot of you gave me the constant outside as 100. Don't worry, I did it the first time when I did the memo as well, so it's an easy mistake. But the constant here is 101, but in the denominator. So this is equal to 1 over 101 times this sum. I is equal to 1 to 100 of I. Okay, we factorized out the 1 over 100 plus, now we're going to factorize out the 1 over 101 squared of the sum. I is equal to 1 to 100 of I cubed. Now you use these formulas over here, noting that it's not just n terms that we're summing, it's 100 terms. So in fact, this n can be replaced by 100. And that was the whole trick to this question right there. So we've got 1 over 100. This here can be replaced by that with 100 in the place of n over 2 plus this one over here, 1 over 101 squared. Here we've got this guy over here, again with n being replaced by 100. So we've got 100 into 100 plus 1 all over 2 all squared. Now most of you recognize the 101 here and the 101 here and were able to cancel those, but this bit here was a little bit more tricky. And what some of you did was multiply this out and then end up with a whole lot of work. When in actual fact, okay, well what have we got here? We've got 100 over 2, so that's 50, plus, here we've got 1 over 101 squared, and if we square all the terms first, so we have 100 squared times 101 squared divided by 2 squared. Then you can notice that you can cancel those 2 over there. And now we've got 50 plus 100 squared is 10,000. Okay, just 4 zeros. Divided by 2 squared is 4. And that's equal to 50 plus 2,500 is equal to 2,550. 3 marks right there.